So we got a good amount of stuff going on today. I'm not really sure what we're doing with this yet, but we gotta make some adjustments to the front end of my car to get that big ass radiator to fit. So that's what we're up to right now. Check that out. Radiator's in there. So we're gonna have to figure out the hose situation because that's where the KA to LS hose thing went, but now it's on the other side. So we're gonna have to basically flip that, cut it, extend it, and then it should work. But for the most part, it's in. It's not a direct bolt-in application, obviously, so we have to figure out how to actually attach it to the front bar. All right, we're taking the Camry out.
I'm not ready, I'm not ready.
We're about to go look at some car for Burky. Burky's getting a new car. I'm not even sure what it is. He just said, guys, come look at this new car with me. You got the GPS on,
Car's
dude?
not ready, yeah.
You got
Car's
the
not ready.
GPS on, dude? Gotta add water.
Just fix not really into
Back here, back here. Does this count as distracted driving? Looks like a wagon. That screams Burky Films. Yeah, I know, and there's no mirror on this side.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? We get the car behind it. That's a classic old car there.
This is like the old JDM kids. Respect though.
Power steering leaks.
Dude, the back is pretty small, man.
It's like, yeah, just don't steal it.
Do a small pull. Are you matted?
Yeah.
Oh no. If that was matted, this is 100% the slowest car I've ever been in. But I'm not disrespecting it because you just look like you should be driving this thing.
This is true.
Like, I like this car because it fits you so well.
Yep.
So I noticed a few people yesterday were saying that the video was a little bit shaky. It's because I had the camera's stabilization off. I turned it back on, so if you see like the corner of the lenses, I'm sorry. But if we want stable footage, we need, yeah, see it right there. We need the stabilization on. So if everyone doesn't like it and we come to a group consensus, I'll just take the lens off and we'll keep it old school.
Special delivery!
Chow mein.
Yeah, you want chow mein? We got the free, we got chow mein. Oh man, special delivery. Lots of tires from Canada. Canadian tire order. That was good.
The border tried to fuck with us a little bit.
Oh, no.
What did he say?
They're like,
Looking at us all
are you sure you've ever brought 20 tires back? And we're like, we've done 10. And he's like, you've ever done 20? And I'm like, no, but I heard it's over 30. Made that up.
Well, you had 2 people in the vehicle, so that seems like one person.
Look at these beautiful triangle tires. Shout out Brandon and Matt for driving all the way to Canada to pick these up for me because I don't have like a border thingy. So these tires are like pretty performance-y and they don't really go on too easily. And this thing was already broken right here. This is supposed to be bigger because it's plastic. So we actually have to get a new head. Me and Chow are about to go try and order one of these and see what happens.
no problem, love, have fun, hey, if you
All right, Les Schwab had one, fully plastic, but super cheap. So we're gonna try this out and see what happens. Come here, come here, come here. Hey, sit. Cooper, sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. Uh-oh, we got Brandon on the Miller. All right, 1 in the morning. Radiator is officially installed in the car. It is plumbed. We're running into an issue though. Solve one problem, create another problem. The intake doesn't sit properly where, you know, it was originally intended to go because the other radiator hose goes in right there and this sits a little bit too high. The hood would never be able to close, so we might have to flip it or put it up here somewhere. I'm not really sure. So we're gonna go to bed and we'll figure this out tomorrow. Next morning, check this temporary sketchiness out. Just math straight on the throttle body so we could get this to the alignment shop.
Yeah, keep on coming. Yeah, a little bit. It's alright. Okay, alright.
Alright, so I guess now Burky has committed. We're going to pick up this Corolla. What year is that thing?
81.
81. Alright, let's go get it.
All of that, she know that my pockets don't juggle nut. Better not cross that boundary. Look at these frame, these masterpiece. Tryna pop a Burky.
Take your time, dude. We're right behind you. He's so happy right now.
I know. That car fits him well.
I got in some new bitches. Come check out how I'm living. I got
Burky's fully panic right now.
It probably is. That thing looks way smaller behind a truck.
We have to get a new one.
Blew it.
Jesus, smoke.
Brandon, how do you feel that that is an M52?
The internet should know it's not an M52.
I don't know, man. Looks like an M52 to me.
Well, they got us because it's an M52 valve cover and it's a VIN code for an M3 and the title says M3 and
Oh no, dude.
come on, come out here.
Boy.
Come on.
Oh boy, we're coming.
Let's show the world.
We're walking over to the. Are we going to the cut pieces?
Got pieces.
Oh,
It just happens to say M3 to 3.2 liter. VIN number for an M3. I mean, I could be confused.
you swapped it though.
But
that's an M52 in there. You swapped it.
The world should know. It's an M3.
So with the nose off, it revealed a little Easter egg that we didn't see before. Why don't you go ahead and
It has the Turner Motorsports pulley kit to free up some power.
All right, everybody. So the turbo for Mini Minto has finally arrived. We've been waiting for this thing. That looks way smaller than. Wow. All right, take that out of the. Jesus. What? Dude, that is next level tiny. Like. That's like.
Is this one even smaller?
Your pointer finger can clog the hole. Let me see the wheel.
No shaft play on that bad boy.
Yeah, that's definitely the same one. Wow. Well, there it is, guys. So after round one, we'll get Mini Minto kicking again.
6.5 inches there. We got a little over a foot to get past the bar.
Car found us a Corvette intake on Craigslist. We're about to go look at it. Basically, the Corvette intake comes off the throttle body and curves down for the front of a Corvette. So we're about to go meet up with this dude and measure his and see if it will work for us, because this is just not working because of that. There we go. Check this out.
Look at that!
Oh yeah.
Just suck air right into here.
But no, we're not keeping it on
Come
there.
on.
We're putting a filter on. So
Okay.
The Corvette intake actually works pretty damn good. Look at that.
Last thing.
You gotta let it get all the way up to 200, man.
We bought a Corvette engine. Is the car ready?
Yeah, we're about to load it up in like a few minutes. We gotta hook the trailer up, put the car in, finish up some tires, and then we're basically ready for round 1 of Pro-Am. Keep that dog box nice and tight.
Identical. Right there. Let's see him. Good transition.
Ready for tomorrow.